Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save TikTok video to gallery without posting. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm just going to go ahead and take a sample video right here. Okay. Like so. All right. Now, what I will do is just wait for it to process. And as you can see here, the video is ready for saving. So what do? Just go ahead over to this arrow right here, or down arrow, tap on it. Now swipe up, all right, until you find the option for saving. Just tap on it. Now these options will show. You can go ahead and save it with watermark, all right? If you don't know what watermark means, as you might remember those videos with the TikTok logo right here or wherever it is, all right? Those are watermarks. Now, if you want to save it with watermarks, just go ahead and tap on save right here with watermark. Okay. Wait for this process to finish. And once done, you're good to go. All right. Now, if you don't like watermark, again, tap on save. Now tap on post to save without watermark. Okay. Tap on it. And here's the tricky part. Okay. Let's go ahead over to our profile. Right here. Now here's the video. Tap on it. Tap on the three dots. Hit on save. Allow. It says here video is saved. Well, after that, you're good to go. All you have to do is just delete this one. Just swipe right until you find the delete button. Delete it. Delete. And once done, it will be gone right here on your profile, but it will be saved on your gallery without watermark, like so. All right. And this one right here is the video with watermark. All right. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.